Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new company that's in the market, at least to my knowledge. I've never reviewed any of their products or more. They sent me a review unit here for me to test out, and it's a 20-watt micro wall charger. This is a very small wall charger to take with you when you travel, small places, wherever, so you can charge up cell phones, tablets, anything that can charge from a USB-C. And it supports 20-watt charging to bring a fast charge to many different devices on the market, including iPhones, which is a pretty nice one. We're going to compare it to some Anker products that are similar size and similar specs with it, so we'll take a look at all that. First though, if you want to find this on Amazon, I will put a link to it down in the show notes down below. And if you want to help this channel grow, do us a big favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. Maybe YouTube will show our videos to more people just by doing those two things, or one of them. We would really appreciate it. All right, with that said, let's dive into the review. Now, right off the bat, pretty standard little USB charger, kind of like a little rounded corner. It's not just a plain square. One USB-C charger here, and this is not fold. It's just a locked standard plug. Now, you do compare this to the Anker. So right here is an Anker 20-watt charger. Come on, there we go. Now, the difference in the Anker one is it does have a flip down, but you notice slightly bigger for Anker. Two 20-watt chargers, both single USB-C. Get an idea, noticeably smaller, which is nice. If you have a tight space, maybe a power strip you're trying to get multiple power plugs into and more, it's pretty nice to have that there. Now, this is a 20-watt charger, which means most devices on the market now will be easily charged from this. It will not supply a full charge like a 65-watt or 100-watt charge to laptops, for example. This is really targeting phones, tablets, wireless earbuds, and the like. In my testing, it does deliver a 20-watt charge, consistent with what Anker did. The big difference here is it is a slightly smaller name and slightly cheaper, which is pretty nice. And with the comparative ability of it, maybe not getting the Anker brand name that's becoming very popular in the world of electronic chargers and more, does make it a little bit cheaper. Overall, I like it. It's slightly a little off-white, has a nice glossy finish to it, and charges at 20 watts. Now keep in mind, your device needs to support a full 20-watt charge to take advantage of that. Many wireless earbuds, older cell phones, etc. do not. So keep that in mind. Some, like the Pixel 6, charge faster than 20 watts. Laptops charge faster than 20 watts. They will often downgrade their speed and not give you quite the full rapid charge that's possible. But this should do a rapid charge for most devices on the market at a considerably cheaper price than many of the competitors out there, and a lot cheaper than I think going into Verizon, for example, and just picking it up and taking it away. Very, very happy with the quality of this. In my testing, it did successfully charge multiple devices I used to test, and the time of the charging was consistent with other 20-watt chargers on the market. So keep that in mind. Increasingly, I would recommend at least a 20-watt charger because more and more devices are taking advantage of 20 watts to charge with their phones, with Apple, Pixels, and more Android devices, all supporting 20 or more watt charging for rapid charging. So this is kind of now becoming the bare minimum. It used to be 5 watts. A lot of devices were 5 watts. What do you think about it? This is 4 times faster charging than a 5-watt charger on the market. So it's a pretty nice little feature there to offer that rapid charge at a far faster pace. Now, it will downgrade if your phone or device is a slower than 20-watt charger to 5-watt or whatever it may be. Don't worry, plug it on in here, plug it in your device. It will charge at the appropriate speed of your device. It's just when you're trying to plug it into a laptop, for example, that needs 65 watts or more, then you're going to start running into problems with this. So keep that in mind. Overall, 2 thumbs up. It does what it says it's going to do. It does it at a competitive price, which I really like. If you want to check out the pricing, like I said, I don't put them on the video because they change so often, but I will put a link in the first pinned comment and in the show description to it on Amazon. Overall, I'm very happy with it. So keep that all in mind. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, let me know. But charges at 20 watts. Very small form factor, especially when you compare it one more time to a similarly sized Anker. So here is Anker. Here is the new charger. Very nice. Now the only downside for traveling, there we go, is that this is not a foldable one. You know, for some people that does not matter. It's not really a big deal. So keep that in mind. With that said, thanks for your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. You can find this on Amazon down in the links down below. We'll be back with another video real soon. Thank you for your support. We really appreciate it.